Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Graham?
Button, water, and vine.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash!
Whee!
Woo! Whoa!
Whoa, look at the size of everything.
It's like a rainforest where everything is ginormous!
Or maybe we're just really small.
Huh, you're right! The plants and trees are getting droopy. Maybe they're tired?
Or maybe they're just thirsty for water.
You're right! We need to find some water! Lead the way! Whoa! Is that what I think it is?
It's a giant water sprinkler.
No, that's not at all what I was thinking. But it makes more sense.
I think we have to press that big blue button on the top to get the water started. Maybe we can bounce our way up on these bouncy flowers. It's not working!
Plan B! As in, maybe we can get a lift from that big honeybee.
Excuse me, but can you please fly us up to that big blue button?
Very sweet of you.
We're too heavy.
Maybe we should have had a later lunch. Thanks for trying. Uh-oh. The trees are getting even more droopy. Their vines are almost touching the ground.
The vines, that's it. We can't bounce up, we can't fly up, but maybe we can swing up. Alley-oop! We did it! The rainforest has its rain back.
I don't know about you, but I never could resist a run through a sprinkler. You in?
Lead the way.
Hey, that's my line!
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.